Tap it to begin. To create an order for an existing customer, choose the For Existing Customer option. Select the name from your customer list, fill in any missing details, add the product and quantities, and tap Confirm. Apply coupons as applicable, choose the shipping method and payment option, and then tap Create Order to place the order. To create an order for a new customer, tap for New Customer. Enter their name, phone number, and address. Add the products they want to buy, set the delivery and payment preferences, and tap Create Order. The order details will be sent to the customer via SMS. This serves as an encouragement for customers to add your digital store app to their phone. If it is a prepaid order, you can share the payment link from the order details screen. The customer will be added to your list of the customers with a tag "has not logged in yet" and will be updated once they join Misto. So you will come to know once the customer starts using your digital store app. Let's move to the orders inquiry section. This feature is available for sellers on the standard subscription plan or above. Orders inquiries are for orders that require your approval before a customer places an order. These sit in the customer's cart and are confirmed only once you accept at your end. Inquiries appear when your product is either marked as subject to acceptance or if you have set a price range when listing the product. This is especially useful for custom-made or made-to-order products where the final price may vary, or for orders where the availability of raw material is to be taken into account before you accept an order from a customer. To manage subject to acceptance orders, tap the order inquiry icon on your dashboard. You will see all pending requests. You can accept the order, which moves it to the checkout stage for the customer, or cancel it with a reason which the customer will be notified of. For the price-based order inquiries, tap Set Price, enter the updated amount along with the remarks to the customer's specific inquiry or customization needs, and tap Update. If required, you can also call or chat with the customer directly from the top right corner. This lets you interact with the customer as if the customer is in your store and has specific needs for a specific product. Please note that order inquiry feature is available in specific subscription plans. Check your plan before attempting to configure products with this capability in your digital store app. And that brings us to the end of this demo. If you need any help processing any specific order, feel free to reach out to us at support@misto.life.